Welcome to Sharon Business Radio, where we bring you the latest updates on money, business, and economy. I am Billy Nwogu, your trusted guide to business news, market trends, and economic insights shaping Nigeria and the global landscape. Stay with us as we keep you informed and ahead in the world of business. Today, Friday, 10th July 2026, Nigerian stock market has emerged as the world's best performing equity market in dollar terms. According to Bloomberg, the Nigerian exchange has recorded a strong rally, with its benchmark index gaining about 63% this year and over 200% in the past 12 months. Analysts attribute the surge to ongoing economic reforms, including foreign exchange liberalization, which has boosted investor confidence and attracted foreign investments. Strong corporate earnings, particularly in the banking and telecommunications sectors, as well as the ongoing bank recapitalization, have also supported the market growth. The NGX All Share Index has now crossed the 250,000 mark with market capitalization exceeding 160 trillion naira. While experts say the rally reflects growing confidence in Nigeria's economy, they caution that challenges like inflation and high living costs still persist. The Nigerian stock market sustained its bullish momentum, gaining a remarkable 961 billion naira, driven by strong investor demand for MTN Nigerian Communication and 28 other stocks. At the close of trading, the Nigerian Exchange All Share Index rose by 1,498.75 basis points, representing a 0.62% increase to settle at 243 958.73 points. Month to date and year to date returns also improved, standing at 6.3% and 56.8% respectively. Market capitalizations followed the same positive trend, climbing to 158,547 trillion naira. Performance across sectors was mixed. The banking, consumer goods, and insurance indices recorded gains of 1.3%, 1.2%, and 0.3%, respectively, while the oil and gas index dipped slightly by 0.2%. The industrial goods index closed flat. Market sentiment remained positive, with 29 gainers compared to 26 losers. International breweries led the gainers, rising by 10% to close at 12 naira 10 kobo per share. First Hold Coke followed closely with a 9.96% increase, while Abe Bank gained 9.88%. Other notable gainers include Trans-Nationwide Express and Honeywell Flour Mills. On the losers chart, Thomas Watt Nigeria and Geregupa recorded the highest losses, each dropping by 10%. MC Nichols, UPDC, and Nelmet International Pharmaceutical also closed lower. Trading activity saw a significant urge, with total volume increasing by over 219% to 1.656 billion units, valued at 111,977 billion naira across 44,780 days. First Hold Co dominated the activity chart, accounting for over 1.2 billion shares traded. Market analysts say the continued rally reflects growing investor confidence, particularly in the banking sector ahead of the earnings season. They note that while bargain hunting is emerging in fundamentally strong stocks, investors are expected to remain cautious due to existing market uncertainties. Looking ahead, sentiment is likely to be influenced by corporate earnings releases, foreign exchange developments, and broader economic policy signals. And on global market, US stock futures were mixed early Friday as investors await the US market debut of South Korean chip maker SK Hynix. The Dow Jones future rose slightly while the S&P 500 held steady and the Nasdaq dipped, putting market on track for a mixed weekly performance. Chip stocks retreated after a recent rally with major players like Intel, Nvidia, and AMD recording losses in pre-market trading. Investors are closely watching SK Hynix, which is set to debut on the Nasdaq, following strong demand for memory chips this year. Across global markets, Asia recorded mixed results and gains in Japan and South Korea, while European stocks traded slightly lower. Meanwhile, investors are also focusing on corporate earnings, with Delta Airlines set to release its second quarter results. And that's all on Sharon Business Radio. For more updates on business, finances, and the economic, follow our TikTok links and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sharon Business Radio. I am Billy Nwogu. Do have a beautiful weekend. See you on Monday as we open the markets again. Thanks for listening.